Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yo, hi guys. Welcome sa ating 4th episode of HTML5 course, Tagalog, and English. So, this time we'll be talking about HTML styles, and then we'll just use the previous code that we had on our previous video. So, let's just open up our VS Code. So, yep, we already talked about style, this one, and then we added it to our image. As you can see, we had the border, and then it is type of dotted and 4 pixels, and it is blue. So let's just remove the anchor tag with an image inside of it, and let's try to um, add some div. So let me just clear this out for you. So let's just add div. It's a type of divisioning or bisectioning or just divisioning, more like separating our the codes by giving it a division. So let me just add the heading in here. So H3, it's kind of blog. So this is a blog, and then um, I have text in here, which is a paragraph of lorem for about 20 texts. So let's just press tab, and then let's just add some image on it that says, that displays um, an image online. Let's just search for an images online. So it will talk about an AI. So AI. So let's just search AI, and then you can choose any image you want. So I'm choosing this one. Let's open up in new tab, and then let's try to open ChatGPT and ask some informations about AI. Yep, like that. So let's just give me a brief or small description about AI. Yep, that's good. Let's just copy that one and then paste it to our VS Code. And then let's just change our heading in here. So what a brief description of what is an AI. Ayun, parang ang gandang tingnan ng website natin ah. Oo, responsive pa ata. So, we'll just give this a style. So, let me style the div style. In order for us to debug the styling, we are needed a border. So border of 1px solid black. As you can see, we have a border around um our blog. So to end that syntax, we are adding a semicolon, and then try to add padding of let's try to add 4 pixels. Ayun, makikita nyo ba yung changes niya? Naging nag-shrink yung whole vlog natin. Let's try to change this to 14. Ayun. As you can see, we are having a padding inside of here. So, paano ba natin makikita yung padding inside of this one? So, let's try to open this in a browser. And then, punta tayo sa desktop natin. Open lang yun natin yung website natin. Ayun. So, paano ba natin makikita yung padding na binigay natin? So, let's just, I've opened up by Dev2. So, right click and inspect. And then click this one to select an element. Let's try to click this one. As you can see, we have a green padding in here. And then as you can see, padding, we are giving padding a 14 pixel. So, try natin i-click to. Click. And then, as we can see, this one, it's padding and we have a border and the content inside. Yun. That's, uh, that's how you inspect the element of what we are doing on our browser. So let's just minimize this one. And then let's proceed on adding some styles. So I want this one to be a bigger one. So let's just add font styles on that one. I mean font size. So font size of try nating i-add yung number 32 pixels. Yep, I think I'm good with the try nating babaan yung pixel. Yun, 22 pixel. Parang walang nagbago. Try natin 25. Yun. Um, I want to change the format or the font style of our paragraph. So let's just add font family and then try to look for a um, good font style. Let's just try to um, select. Let's just add anything of it. Any of it. Yep, that one's good. Sans serif. And then our image is too big. I think we need to add some width and height. You can add directly the width and height as an attribute for an image. So let's just add 100. But that's not enough. It's kind of small. We can use style as well for changing the height of our image. So let's just add 300 pixels. Ayun. As you can see, we already changed the height by using styles sa image natin. So let's just end that syntax by adding semicolon. So what I want next is I want this to be on the center. So let's try to add text alignment on our div. So text align center. Ayun, nag-center yung ah, um, vlog natin kasi dito tayo nag-add sa div natin. Pag dito lang natin i-add sa H3, yung H3 lang mismo yung magiging center. Yun. Tapos, try natin i-add sa paragraph natin, ganun din mangyayari. At saka sa image natin, ganun din mangyayari. Yeah. Oh, it's not working on the image side because it's not a text. So what I want is ito put all in the center. So I think that's good for now. So let me just remove the border because we are not needing it. It's just for debugging our um, user interface. So what I want next is adding a background. So let's try to add background for this one. Background color. And I am giving background color of what happened? Why it's 14 pixel? Oh, it's replacing our padding. So let me just undo it and then add some background color of gray. Let's try to add gray. Gray is not good. So we can use RGB, which is red, green, blue. So we are adding first is red. So let me try to add um, 22 and then green is 22 and then blue is 22. As you can see, we have a darker, most it almost black. Try to change that one. We can also add X. This one, it's a type of color of X. White. We can change as well by clicking this tiny color inside box, and then change the color of our background into something else. Let's try to I mostly like gray. I think that's good for now. We already applied styles to our div, H3, paragraph, and on the image as well. Pwede pa kayong mag-add ng kahit na anong style on different elements. Just try to play around on your code for now. So let me just open up on my browser. So this is the code that we had on. This is the code that we have on our browser. I think that's it for now for the styles, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. Thank you. That's it. I think that's it. Kita kits next video.